So far, we talked about the why, the what, the how to formulate a data and AI strategy. In this last video of the series, I will give you some tips on how to start execution. Remember that we talked about offense versus defense? Your data strategy will likely contain elements of both. On the offensive side, we expect that you will have formulated the essential use cases that will contribute to business success. On the defensive side, you should have plans on how to upskill people, improve your technology stack, or govern your data. As defense doesn't lead to impact right away, our suggestion is to pick up defense in the slipstream of an offensive use case. Because if you deploy a forecasting algorithm and you then improve data quality, then you'll be able to measure the impact of your data quality improvements right away. So remember, you should not start with defensive actions only. Pick a concrete use case and generate success early on. Only then you will be able to demonstrate the potential benefits and get people on board of your data journey. To wrap up the entire series, I hope you learned from my experience and enjoyed watching this mini tutorial. If you're curious about data and AI strategy, check out our landing page on our website. Good luck defining and executing your own data and AI strategy.